Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to do my 5 off of 25. My store, well, not my store, y'all know how I go. The store that I always go to, they didn't have all of the free stuff that I was looking for, but that's all right. You know, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. So, the haul that I'm bringing you today is on the low. It's not on the low because I had to actually put some things together. All right. So I picked up maybe one thing that I should have just left and should have just told her just to take it off, but I forgot because I was running my mouth. You know, we was talking about couponing, talking about videos and deals and everything, just talking about some good old things that we can do, you know, to save money. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing that I got that I should have put back was this Airwick warmer. I thought that I had a coupon, a digital coupon that was on there that was to make this like low out of pocket, but it had already gone. I had already used it. I don't know what I was thinking and I picked it up, but that's all right. So the next thing, because this is digital and paper, y'all, and some of the paper I do not have the paper coupons anymore. I only just like had one of the coupons that I am using. Okay, so the next thing is this Airwick, the warmer. It is $3 and I think it's 35 cents, and there is $1.50 off manufacturer. Was it a manufacturer? Let's see, hold on. It was a digital coupon, $1.50 that came off. Okay, the next thing are these Herbal Essence dry shampoo. The Herbal Essence dry shampoo. They are $2 each. There is a $2 off digital coupon when you purchase two, and that came off. The next thing is this Studio Selection 100% petroleum jelly. I got two of them. There is a digital coupon that is buy one get one free, and that coupon I believe expires today, so you better go ahead and get that coupon. The next thing is the Tide Simply. The Tide Simply pods is $2.95. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. You also, is this a 13 count? You also can get the liquid if you want. If you don't want the pods, you can get the liquid. But they are $2.95, and there's a 50 cents off digital coupon. The next thing is these Game Fireworks. I got the original. They are $3.95. There is $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is these Tylenol. I'm sorry, y'all, that I'm talking fast, but it's so hot out here, and I don't want to cut on the air because then it'd be blowing and y'all really can't hear me. So I have my windows cracked a little bit, so I'm sorry. That's why I'm going a little fast. The next thing is the Tylenol Extra Strength. I had found two manufacturer coupons that I had. These are up by the cashier, the counter, the cash register. They are $2 and $2 off manufacturer coupon are scanning for these, making these free. So I had two of them. So I got two of them, and these was free. The next thing is the St. Ives. The St. Ives body wash. That is, let's see. St. Ives body wash. I know I had it. It's $3. There is $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is these petroleum. This is the shampoo one. I think the conditioner also. I believe the conditioner. I can't remember. These are $1.50. There is a $4 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching, making those really cheap out of pocket. I think it's $3 or $4. I think it's a $4. Then the last thing is the begging strips. The begging strips are Let's see. The bacon strips are 3 for $5. There is manufactured coupons that is attaching to these, making these cheap out of pocket. And y'all, it is the 3 ounce, okay? It is the 3 ounce for the bacon. It's with bacon and beef and flavor, and then original with bacon, okay? These are the 3 ounce, and these are like the treats, okay? They are 3 for $5, but there is $1.50 off manufactured coupon. But what you do is you go on there into coupontime.com. All right, you go on coupontime.com and put in, I think it's Purina, and it'll come up as Purina Prime, and those manufactured coupons are scanning for these bacons. There's $1.50 off, okay? So y'all, after everything scanned and all of the digitals came off and the manufactured coupon scanned for it, hold on y'all, it is a truck coming through. Really? All right, so sorry about that, y'all. The subtotal is $10.90. Yes, $10.90 for all of this. So let me show you my receipt. You really can't see it because I'm in the sun. Okay, let's see. There we go. There it goes. There it goes. And then let me, thought I had the, here it is right here. $10.90. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings. $27.50. Yes, $27.50. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for next week. All right, y'all. This right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's channel.